Hello student, this is Manisha Tomar and today we will discuss about Animal Kingdom. This is summary for TGT, PGT Biology exams 2021 as well as for other competitive exams where biology is compulsory subject. So today we will discuss summary of Animal Kingdom, levels of organizations. There are four levels of organizations. One is cellular level, other is tissue level, organ level, and organ system level. First is circulatory system. There is two types of circulatory systems: open type and closed type systems. Open type system where blood pumped out through heart cells and tissues are directly bathed in it, means there is no vessels, no tubes for running or flowing the or circulating the blood. And second one is closed type system in which blood is circulated through vessels. In all vertebrates blood circulation is closed types. Next one is symmetry, as unsymmetrical and symmetrical. Unsymmetrical cannot be divided into equal half through medium plane like sponges. These are initial animals, initial biological factors which are unsymmetrical. Radial symmetry, any plane passing through central axis can divide organism into equal halves like hydra. Bilateral symmetry means only one plane can divide the organism into equal halves. Annelida and arthropoda are the examples of bilateral symmetry. Next one is the classification of on basis of germinal layers. There is diploblastic and triploblastic. First we will discuss about diploblastic cells arranged in two embryonic layers like external ectoderm and internal ectoderm, that is also called mesoglia, may be present in between ectoderm and endoderm. Like examples are diploblastic animals are coelentrates, which is also known as Cnidaria in these days. Triploblastic, three layers present in developing embryo, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. For example, chordata, all the chordates are triploblastic. Next is coelom, body cavity which is lined by mesoderm, that is called coelom. Coelomates have coelom like annelidas and chordates. Pseudocoelomates, no true coelom, as mesoderm is present in scattered pouches between ectoderm and endoderm. For example, Aschelminths. Acoelomates, body cavity is absent. For example, Platyhelminths, body cavity नहीं होती है. These are the initial animals. Metamerism, if body is externally and internally divided into segments with serial repetition of at least some organs, then phenomenon is called metamerism. This is found in earthworm because earthworms are annelids. Mostly annelids are segmented body. Notochord, rod-like structure of mesodermal origin formed during embryonic development of the dorsal side is called notochord, and the examples are notochords are chordates. Next phylum, now we will discuss about phylums. Phylum Porifera, also called sponges, because most of the animals in this kingdom are sponge-like, are usually marine and unsymmetrical. These are the marine animals and unsymmetrical. There is no symmetry in their body. Have cellular level of organism. Food gathering, respiratory exchange and removal of waste occurs through the water canals because systems. Digestion intracellular होता है. Ostia, minute pores on body. बॉडी पर इनके माइनर पोर्स पाए जाते हैं इन एनिमल्स की, विच आर कॉल्ड ऑस्टिया, विच इज़ ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स इन विच ग्रुप फाइलम ऑस्टिया इज़ फाउंड, दैट इज़ पोरीफेरा. Spongocele, body cavity is present which is called spongocele, and osculum help in water transport. They are lined by kynocytes, means collar cells. Collar cells are found, yeah, or kynocytes are found in Porifera phylum. Body wall has spicules and spongian fibers. That is why they are called sponges. Animals are hermaphrodites. Fertilization internal होता है. Development is indirect with larva stage, which metamorphoses to adult. Examples of this phylum are Sycon, Euspongia, etc. Second phylum is phylum Coelenterata, which is also called Cnidaria. In these days, are usually marine and radial symmetrical. These are radial symmetrical while porifers are unsymmetrical, but both are marine. Sessile or free swimming. They are mostly sessile or free swimming, have tissue level of organization. They are diploblastic, means they contains ectoderm and endoderm. Presence of nidoblast for anchorage, डिफेंस एंड कैप्चर ऑफ प्री, मीन्स जो निडोब्लास्ट पाए जाते हैं दे डिफेंस एंड कैप्चर द फूड, help in capture the food. Central body cavity called gastrovascular cavity or coelentron. Digestion extracellular and intercellular in both condition. Blind sac type body, plain with one opening called hypostome. Body wall composed of calcium carbonate. Exhibit two body forms, polyp and medusa. Examples of this phylum, important examples are Hydra and Aurelia. Alternation of generation between body forms called metagenesis occurs in Aurelia, where medusa sexually reproduce and polypi asexually reproduce. Physalia and Adamsia. These are the examples. Phylums phylum Ctenophora, also called as sea walnuts or comb jellies, are exclusively marine, radial symmetrical, have tissues level organization, are diploblastic, digestion both extra and intercellular. Body has 8 external rows of ciliated comb plated for locomotion. That is why they are called comb jellies. So bioluminescence, living organisms emit lights. This is the important characteristic of phylum Ctenophora. They are bioluminescence. Bioluminescence means their body create light, emit light. Sexes are not separate. They are hermaphrodite, reproduce only one by sexual methods. External fertilization takes place and indirect development. The example of this phylum are Ctenoplana and Pleurobranchia. Phylum Platyhelminthes, also called flatworms, have dorsoventral flattened body, mostly endoparasites in animals including humans. Bilateral symmetry, they are triploblastic. From platyhelminths, triploblastic is start here. Ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm is present. Coelomates are coelomates, organ level organization, absorb nutrients through body surface. Parasite forms have hook and suckers. Flame cells are present in these, helps in osmoregulation and excretion. The flame cells are helpful for excretion. Fertilization internal, many larva stages. Planaria has high regeneration capacity. Tinea and Fasciola are the example of Platyhelminthes phylum. Next phylum is phylum Aschelminthes. These are also called roundworms, may be free-living, parasitic, aquatic or terrestrial. Are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic pseudocoelomates. Alimentary canal complete, has muscular pharynx, waste removed through excretory pores, organ system, level of organization, sexes separate, dioecious means separate means dioecious होते हैं, दो डिफरेंट होते हैं सेक्स. सो सेक्सुअल डाइमॉर्फिज्म, फीमेल्स लॉन्गर देन मेल्स, ये इसका मेन डिफरेंस होता है. ये पूछा भी जाता है कि जैसे एस्केरिस के केस में पूछा जाता है व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एस्केरिस फीमेल एंड मेल, then females are longer than males. Fertilization internal and development direct and or indirect in both conditions. The example of this phylum are Ascaris and Wuchereria. Phylum Annelida, which is very important phylum of the animal phylum, are aquatic or terrestrial. They are free living or parasitic. are bilateral symmetrical triploblastic होते हैं. Organ system level of organization, metamerically segmented body, have longitudinal and circular muscles in body wall for locomotion. Aquatic annelids like Nereis has oar-shaped parapodia for movement. Have nephridia for osmoregulation and excretion. मीन्स एक्सक्रेशन किसके थ्रू होता है? नेफ्रीडिया के थ्रू. नर्वस सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ पेयर्ड गैंग्लियन कनेक्टेड बाइलेटरल नर्वस टू ए डबल वेंट्रल नर्वस कोड. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज क्लोज टाइप. अर्थवॉर्म्स, parenchyma and leech hirudinaria, which are hermaphrodite means monoecious. Nares are aquatic form is dioecious. Fertilization is external, development is direct or indirect. Phylum Arthropoda, which is the largest phylum of the Animalia, including insects, are bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic, and organ system level of organism, coelomate and segmented body. Body divisible into dead thorax, abdomen. Means body is divided into three parts, that is head, thorax and abdomen. Body covered by chitinous exoskeleton, very important characteristic of this. They have joint appendages, इनके जो legs होते हैं वो joints होते हैं. Respiration by gills, book gills, lungs और tracheal system. Circulation is open type. Excretion through Malpighian tubes. Sensory organs, antenna, eyes, organ of balance, statocysts, मोस्टली डायोसियस होते हैं. फर्टिलाइजेशन इंटरनल होता है. आर मोस्टली ओविपोरस एंड डेवलपमेंट इज इनडायरेक्ट और डायरेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स आर एपीज, बोम्बाइक्स, एनाफ्लीज, लोक्यूस्टा एंड लीम्यूलस. Phylum Mollusca, second largest phylum of Animalia. First is Arthropoda and second is Mollusca. Terrestrial or aquatic, they may be terrestrial or aquatic. Bilateral, symmetrical, triploblastic होते हैं. Organ system level of organization, coelomates present होते हैं. Body visible into head, muscular foot and viscerals, hump, and is covered by a soft and spongy layer of skin called mantle. Unsegmented body होती है. Body is covered by calcareous cells, जबकि ऑर्थोपोड की काइटिनस होती है और मोलस्कास की कैलकेरियस होती है. कैलकेरियस मीन्स कैल्शियम की बनी हुई. रेस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सक्रीशन बाय फीदर लाइक गिल्स, जिन्हें हम टीनिडियम कहते हैं. इन मेंटल कैविटी, हेड हैज सेंसरी टेंटिकल्स, radula file like rasping organ for feeding, usually dioecious. Dioecious have indirect development. Examples of molluscs are Pila, Pinnatida and octopus. Next phylum is Echinodermata. Are spiny bodies organism, endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles, are exclusively marine, radial symmetrical in adult but bilaterally symmetrical in larva stage. Organ system level of organization, triploblastic and eucoelomate. Digestive system complete, mouth, ventral anus or dorsal side, food gathering, respiration, locomotion carried out by water vascular system. Excretory system is absent. Dioecious sexes are separate. Fertilization external. Development indirect. Free living larva. Asterias and Cucumeria. Asterias and Cucumera are the examples of Echinodermata. Asterias को हम starfish भी कहते हैं. Phylum Echinodermata. Echinodermata. Phylum Echinodermata. ये रिपीट हो गया है. Phylum Hemichordata. Have small worm-like marine animals. Was earlier placed as subphylum of phylum Chordata. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic होते हैं and coelomate होते हैं. Body cylindrical, has proboscis, collar and trunk. Circulation is open type. Respiration by gills. Excretion by proboscis glands. Sex is separate. External fertilization, indirect development. Example is Balanoglossus. Phylum Chordata. Presence of notochord between gut and nerve cord. Have dorsal hollow nerve cord. Have paired pharyngeal gill slits. Heart is ventral. Post-anal tail present. Bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic and coelomate with organ system. Level of organization. Circulation is closed type. Subphyla Urochordata. Notochord present only in tail of larva stage, that is Acidinia, Salpa and Doliolium. Examples. Subphylum Cephalochordata. Notochord extends from head to tail. Example Amphioxus. Subphylum Vertebrata have notochord only during embryonic period. Notochord gets replaced by bony or cartilaginous vertebral column. Have ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambered paired appendages which may be fins or limbs, kidney or excretion and osmoregulation. Class Cyclostomata have sucking and circulatory mouth without jaws, live as ectoparasites on some fishes, devoid of scales, no paired fins. Cranial and ventral column is cartilaginous, marine habit but migrates to fresh water for swimming and die after spawning. Larva returns to ocean after metamorphosis. Examples Petromyzon. Superclass species. Species में Chondri class 1 is Chondrichthyes. Have cartilaginous endoskeleton, mouth ventral located. Notochord persists throughout life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. Skin has placoid scales. Jaw contains teeth which are modified placoid scales, mostly predaceous. Swim bladder absent. Heart is 2 chambered, 1 auricle and 1 ventricle. Some of them contain electric organs like torpedo. Some possess poison stings like trigon. पायोकिलोथर्म और कोल्ड ब्लडेड होते हैं. डायोसियस होते हैं. सेक्शुअली डाइमॉर्फिक होते हैं. मेल्स पेल्विक फिन बियर्स क्लेस्पर्स होते हैं. फर्टिलाइजेशन इंटरनल होता है. मैनी ऑफ देम आर विविपोरस. टर्पीडो, ट्राइगोन एंड स्कोलोडियंस आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस phylum. Scolidian is also known as dogfish. Osteothys include both marine and freshwater fishes. Bony endoskeleton. Mouth is usually terminal. 4 pairs of gill slits covered by operculum. Skin has cycloid या tinoid scales. Air bladder is present for buoyancy. हार्ट इज़ टू चैम्बर्ड, कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स होते हैं, डायोसियस होते हैं, सेक्सुअली मोनोमॉर्फिक होते हैं, फर्टिलाइजेशन एक्सटर्नल होता है, मोस्टली ओविपारस होते हैं, डेवलपमेंट इज इनडायरेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल्स आर हिप्पोकैम्पस, लेबियो कैटला एंड बेटा. सब क्लास tetrapoda. Examples are tetrapodas are amphibians, can live, tetrapoda means 4 legs, can live in aquatic as well as terrestrial habitat, so they are called amphibians. Most of them have 2 pairs of limbs, body division into head and trunk, skin moist without scales. Tympanum represents ears. Cloaca is the common chamber where alimentary, urine and reproductive tract open, respiratory by gills, lungs or skin. Heart is 3 chamber, 2 auricle and 1 ventricle. कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स होते हैं, सेक्स सेपरेट होते हैं, फर्टिलाइजेशन इज एक्सटर्नल एंड रिक्वायर्स वाटर. ओविपेरस होते हैं, इनडायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट होता है. ब्यूफो राना हाइला. फ्रॉग्सविंस. Reptiles, creeping or crawling mode of locomotion. Body has dry and confined skin and epidermal scales and scutes. Tympanum represents ear. Limbs when present are 2 pairs, mostly 3-chambered. Heart but 4-chambered in crocodile. ज़्यादातर रेप्टाइल्स में 3-chambered हार्ट होता है, लेकिन क्रोकोडाइल में 4-chambered हार्ट होता है. Snakes and lizards' sad skulls are skin cast. Piochilotherm sexes are separate. Fertilization internal. Oviparous direct development. Testudo, Naza, Vipera, calotes are the examples of reptiles. Aves, presence of feathers and most can fly. Most can fly except flightless bird like ostrich. Jaw modified to beak without teeth. Forelimbs are modified into wings. Hind limbs have scales. No gland on skin except oil gland at base of tail. Exoskeleton bony with air cavities. Pneumatic and hollow bones to assist in flight. Digestive tract has additional chambers like crop and gizzard. Heart is 4-chambered, homoiothermous or warm-blooded, able to maintain constant temperature. Warm-blooded are called homoiothermous. Air sacs are connected to lungs to supplement respiration. Oviparous, direct development. Columba and Struthio or Corvus are the examples of aves. Corvus is the crow. Mammals have mammary glands to nourish young ones by secreting milk. Have 2 pairs of limbs. Skin hair has hairs, external ears or pinna present. Different types of teeth in jaws, means 4 टाइप के होते हैं. Heart is for example ह्यूमन में हार्ट इज़ 4-chambered, 2 auricle और 2 ventricle होते हैं. होम्योथर्मिक means same temperatured. Respiration by lungs. Sexes separate. Fertilization internal. Viviparous और oviparous. बोथ कंडीशन होती हैं, एग लेइंग और बेबी लेइंग. डायरेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. रेटस, कैनिस, एल्फस, एक्वास, oviparous. Mammals is Ornithorhynchus. This is the summary of the chapter Animal Kingdom. This is completely summary. यहाँ से आपको बहुत क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे TGT के और PGT केमिस्ट्री बायो में और अदर एग्ज़ाम्स में भी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट करें मुझे, ताकि मैं इम्प्रूव कर सकूं. थैंक यू सो मच.